After a beautiful day of bird hunting with the pup, one of the important things to do is gun maintenance. You know, you can go out, shoot a couple boxes of shells, there's a lot of spent powder in the barrel and the receiver. You need to get that stuff out of there so the next time you load some shells in and a bird gets up in front of you, you don't go click. So what we want to do, I'm going to demonstrate here, take this gun apart, clean it up real good so the next time we go out, she's ready to go. So we'll spray the rag down here. You start cleaning out the barrel. This is the kind of stuff that you're getting out of the barrel. And this stuff is going to be found in your receiver too. This is the stuff that's going to gum it up, slow it down. So after we put a nice patch through there with some solvent, we're going to come back through with a copper brush, spray that with a little bit of solvent as well. I'm going to run that brush through the barrel a few times. So I'm going to go after it again with a little more solvent, just to make sure that we get the barrel nice and clean. Typically run one last one through just to remove any of the solvent that was in there before we go back after it with some lubrication. Look at the rag, it's pretty white. So now we got a good clean barrel. We need to go after the receiver of this thing. So what I do is just take some of that same cleaner, wipe it on another clean rag. And this gun, it's a little harder to take the bolt out without pulling a few pins out, so we just kind of go after it. You can move the bolt back and forth, exposing different parts of the receiver. Make sure that you get that thing nice and clean. After we use our patch with solvent on the inside of the receiver to clean it out, we're going to go back with a clean, dry one. Try to wipe some of that residual solvent back out. See if there's any residual powder left behind. As you can start seeing, clean white rag goes in, clean white rag comes out. Gun's pretty clean. This gun needs to be lubricated now. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we provide a nice thin film inside the receiver so you get a good smooth action, pull shells and eject shells really good. And then we're going to wipe the gun down, get all the dirt out of it from when it's been out in the field. So since we cleaned the barrel out, we're going to want to go back in and give it a little bit of corrosion protection. And that's where this lube is going to come into play. I'm going to do the same thing with the receiver now. Put a little bit of this lubricant on a clean rag, just a thin film. Give it a little bit of protection from sliding components back and forth as you're using it, and also to give it that layer of corrosion protection. Go back to our clean rag, a little bit more oil on there, and just give a good clean wipe down to the exterior of the gun. There we have it, good clean gun, nice smooth action.